sure to cook.
Welcome back to another episode of Be Sure to Cook. Today, this video is all about vegetable world because today I'm going to be making a squash, zucchini, and red onion. So stay tuned and let's do this. Okay, I'm in the middle of cutting some fresh onion, just a little bit. And then the rest of this I might be using for something else, so I always save it in the bag. So I chopped up a little bit of the onion that I'm going to be putting in here. Okay, I got a yellow squash, and then I got some zucchini that I'm getting ready. I got a zucchini, and I'm going to rinse these bad boys off. Okay, I wash the outside of my vegetables because we got all kind of people that come through stores and they touch stuff. You should see some of the things I see people doing, sneezing over the vegetables. Some lady I seen one time actually pick it in her nose. So you make sure you want, not saying that she was doing that, touching the vegetables or not. I didn't actually catch her touching them, but just think if she did. Maybe I didn't know about it. Maybe earlier when I'm in the cereal aisle, maybe when she was doing that in the cereal aisle, maybe she had went to the vegetables early when she came in. Okay, had a little paper towel laying there on my. Okay, I'm going to take it and I'm just going to just start slicing up some of this squash. Okay, then I have my zucchini. And in my zucchini, I'm just going to do the same way. I'm just chopping it up in circles. Okay, for season, I'm going to use a little bit of onion powder, which we got onion in here, but a little bit won't hurt it. Of course, I always use garlic. Garlic gives it a little bit more flavor. And I use my all-around seasonings because my all-around seasonings gives it so much flavor. Then I'm going to add some salt to this. I'm just going to toss this with my hands. I'm going to do some black pepper also. Okay, some crunchy black pepper. Then I've got coarse. You can use sea salt or you can use kosher salt. I use kosher or sea salt. It doesn't make a difference. Then I'm just going to toss all of this up. Okay, here we go. Okay, I've got a nice pan. I'm going to add a little olive oil to my pan. Just a little. Tablespoon of my butter. I'm getting that nice and hot, getting that pan hot. Then I'm going to dump all of my vegetables in here, and I'm going to fry them like potatoes. Okay. Okay, I'm going to add just a little thyme to give this an all round and roundabout flavor. Not as much. Just going to sprinkle a little thyme in there just to give it a little different kick. Look at that. It's going to really make that come to. Okay, I'm just going to flip these like potatoes. Okay, this is done just the way I want it. I want some of them kind of like really soft and some of them, they still got a little flavor. You don't want to keep cooking until it turns into mush. And this is about what it's going to do. But this is the way I like mine. But my husband likes it to be just a little sweet. So I just take like a half teaspoon of sugar and I just sprinkle it over a little, all over. Make sure everything gets even, of course. And then I just flip that a little bit and make sure everything gets just not really sweet, but just where it gets a little bit of that bitterness out that he calls it bitter. I like it the way it was with all that seasoning. But once you do that, you're getting a really great flavor now. And here is my squash, zucchini, and red onion. Hey, I hope you can like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I hope you enjoy this all around vegetable meal. Hey, I didn't cook this vegetable meal alone. You and me, we did this together. And I hope we can make plenty more dishes. Come back next time so we can make plenty more dishes. See you next time. Bye.